Thailand eyeing 8 US F-35 stealth fighter jets with cheap bids. Government Air Force Thailand is eyeing the procurement of 8 F-35 stealth fighter jets made in the United States of America, USA. However, this Southeast Asian country wants to bid it at a lower price. Thailand's military chief, Napadej Dhupatemiya, said the procurement of advanced fighter jets was necessary to strengthen national defense. Napadej said the Air Force needed a new fleet of fighter jets because the aging F-5s and F-16s had been in service for more than 3 decades. As aircraft age, maintenance costs and safety risks tend to increase. F-35 jets, manufactured by the U.S. defense giant, Lockheed Martin, which has emerged as the best option now that its costs are lower, has dropped to $82 million each from $142 million when the models first hit the market. According to Napadej, compared to the new Swedish-made Saab Gripen which costs $85 million per unit, Lockheed Martin's product is not out of reach. According to him, it depends on the negotiations. It wants to bid on the F-35 above $70 million per unit. Napadej said budget planning for the F-35 acquisition project will begin in fiscal year 2023, starting in October, and the Air Force is ready to answer all questions if it chooses to proceed with the purchase. The F-35 jets, manufactured by U.S. defense giant Lockheed Martin Corporation, have emerged as the best choice now that costs are lower, down to US $82 million, 2.7 billion baht, each from $142 million when the model first hit the market, he said. With the new Swedish-made Saab Gripen priced at $85 million per unit, Lockheed Martin's product is not out of reach, ACM Napadej said. Depending on negotiations, unit prices of the F-35 can be brought down to just above $70 million each, he said. ACM Napadej said budget planning for an F-35 acquisition project will be initiated in the 2023 fiscal year, which started in October 2021, and the Air Force is prepared to answer all questions if it chooses to press ahead with the purchase. A panel will be set up to study the aircraft procurement program to justify the Air Force's request for funding, he said. Given their technological advantages, the F-35 jets will enhance the country's air power, a vital part of modern warfare, he said. The Air Force is aware of budget constraints brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic, he said, noting that it plans to make the purchases in phases and select high-quality products that come with the transfer of technical know-how.